Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, I have a project share video for you guys. I wanted to show you guys how this turned out. I absolutely love how it turned out. I have this Dollar Tree signed that I bought and I wanted to add something to it that makes it a little bit more fun to look at. And I went and I added these really fun candy corns on top of the sign. And I went and I added this really pretty ribbon that also has candy corn design on it, a pom-pom. And I thought that this turned out so absolutely beautiful and so adorable. I absolutely love these candy canes. I think it just fits perfect with the sign. And I had so much fun making this. So I wanted to show you really quickly on how it came out. I thought it came out beautiful. This is before and this is after. And so I love it. So let's keep going with the candy corn theme. So I made these little embellishments that is also candy corn related. And I added it to these really, really delicious popcorn baggies that I get at Target, or you can even find these at the Dollar Tree if you're lucky, because these go really, really, really fast. So I bought a whole bunch of these. I love the way these taste. I've had them before. They're absolutely adorable and they're just so delicious. And so this one is the candy corn flavor. And it has popcorn with the candy corn flavor things added to it. It was just really, really delicious. So I thought it would be perfect to give like a little baggie for my friends for Halloween. And so I grabbed a whole bunch of these and I added a really simple, really 2-minute, literally 2-minute embellishment that I created here. Simple, 2 cupcake liners, a little pink heart, and that's it. I'm sorry, not pink, orange heart, and that's it. That's all I did. Originally, I added, I wanted to add some candy corn, and that kind of changed really quickly because my candy corns did not stay glued down to my cupcake liner. So that totally changed the whole idea. And so I went back and I was able to come across these really fun orange hearts, and I just glue them down. So I have one more to do because I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have one more to do, and I'm going to do it with you guys so you can see how simple it is to make. So we're going to make these really, like, literally, I would say 2-minute project. It's so simple, but so pretty. So just use the cupcake liner. I have here these candy corn cupcake liners. And I'm going to also use a smaller one, which are these really like craft color cupcake liners. All right. So just fold your cupcake liner in half like I always do. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing with the little one. All right, we're going to fold this one in half, and you can always add to your cupcake liners. If you don't have anything to put in the front, you can always put pom-poms, and that's a really fun idea. I was going to put some of these fake candy corn little picks that I got at Michael's, and I was gonna put these on, but I changed my mind and I like the heart better, so I went with the heart. So I'm gonna glue this little tiny one to the big cupcake liner right in the center, and I'm going to glue down my heart in the center of this, and we're done. This is literally a super easy video and super quick, because my mindset is like, if you have a whole bunch of these to do, you don't want to take forever, right? I really don't have a lot. I only got like about 5 or 6 to create. But there are some people that may have 12, you know, 20, who knows? And so making it easy for you to create these things makes it much easier for you to make them. And that's it. That's literally all I did. I'm going to add some dimensions in the back. I'm going to glue it down to my bag and we're done. And that is how simple that is made. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to my dimension because I don't want this to fall off. I'm going to glue this down to the back of my cupcake liner. Squish it really good there. And then I'm going to basically add this to the front of the popcorn bag and we're done. Voila. And that's what you're going to get. You see that? How simple, but how adorable that looks. I love it. I think it looks so pretty. It's very, very simple, very easy to make, literally 2 minutes, but it makes the little baggie look nicer, right? Than just giving it a plain little bag. I think it was absolutely adorable. I love it. All right. I hope this helps. This was a super quick video, but I did want to show you guys to see how easy it is to make these. They're just really, really simple. All right, my loves. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick video. I love you all. I will see you on my next video. Please be safe and I'll see you soon. Bye, honey bunnies.